Hey everybody, welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and today we are going to be making a quick appetizer, or you can serve it as a meal. It's just as good either way. But it's bacon wrapped chicken candy, guys. You don't want to miss this one. Check it out. But before we get started, guys, I want to show you a little bit of appreciation. I just jumped over 400 subscribers. It's blowing my mind. I love it. You're the reason I'm doing this, guys. I really enjoyed it. But me and my wife went up to the Pigeon Forge to the Christmas store because she is an absolute Christmas nut. But I started looking around. Now look what I found: Grillin and chilling. It's got your tools right there and your mitt. Looks like a green egg, but hey, it can be anything you want it to be. And a piece of bacon. So what Christmas tree would not look better with those hanging on it? So I'm going to give these away, guys. It's going to be a quick one. I'm going to try to get it out before Christmas. So by Sunday the 13th, I'll do the drawing. So try to get everything in by Sunday the 13th. I'll put the details down in the description. But all I want you to do is just go down there in the description and type in hashtag Sucklebusters. Do hashtag Sucklebusters. I'm going to do a drawing on the 13th for it, and I'll ship it out to you hopefully in time for Christmas to make your tree look a lot better. Man, check that out. I love it. All right. Well, with that out of the way, let's get to it. All right, guys. Had a camera issue again. My GoPro's dead, so I had to use my phone, so I can't tell when it's recording or not. But I got the chicken breast, and I chopped them about into 1-inch squares here. Then I got my bacon, cut it in thirds. Now we're just unwrapping the bacon. We're about to start wrapping these chickens up in it. Alright, it's going to take me some time, so I've just got a little bit of it done here. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I've got the bacon, I've got the chicken. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to season all the chicken with salt here in just a second. But I'm just going to season it, put a little salt on there for taste. Get my bacon, I'm going to stick her on there. I'm just going to wrap it up. I'm going to shoot a toothpick right through it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this to every one of these pieces of chicken right here, and I'll show you when I'm done here. Alright, well, I had a little chicken left over, ran out of bacon, so got ahead and got this right here. Now all the little pieces of chicken, I cut them up, wrapped them up in bacon, put a toothpick to them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick them down in here. I'm going to toss them around in this brown sugar, cayenne pepper, and chili powder mix. We're going to get them nice and coated even. And what we're going to do on there is I'm putting these, anytime I'm with bacon, do anything with bacon, I always like to put it on my jerky rack. Try to keep the amount of flare-ups minimal. So that's what I'm going to do here. Is I'm going to finish doing this to all these pieces. And I'm going to probably come over top of them with just a little bit more of the Sucklebusters Sugar Daddy. Then we're going to put them in here for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. We'll check them in and see how they're looking. So, I ain't going to make you sit here and watch all the boring parts, but rinse and repeat right there. All right. Got them tossed into the little rub I made. Now I'm just going to get some of this Sucklebuster Sugar Daddy. I'm going to hit it over the top here. So this stuff right here, if you've never tried it, it's so good. It's got, let's see, it's got sugar, molasses, honey powder, chili pepper, spices, everything you want right there. So all right, got them spiced up, seasoned up. We're going to go ahead and set them in here. Got them in here. Now I'm going to come back and I'll check on them here in about 20 minutes or so. All right, it's been about 20 minutes. It's getting dark out here kind of quick. Got my light. We're going to check on them real quick. See how they look. Oh man, they're looking good. Bacon ain't quite there yet. And over here, what I've done is that extra chicken, I just grabbed some of that Sucklebusters clucker dust, mixed it around there. We're going to have some nuggets with it too. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. We're going to give it another 10 minutes or so. See how it turns out. Alright guys, it's been a total of 30 minutes. Check it out. They are looking great. Little nugs over here looking okay. So I'm gonna do one special thing to mine. Jesse and Colson won't like it, but I'm gonna do this right here. I've got some of this. Let's see right here. Can you see it in the light? I got some of the Mike's Hot Honey. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna hit me just a little bit of Mike's Hot Honey there on the back of mine. So I'd say this has got about 5 minutes left. So I'm just gonna hit it long enough just to let it caramelize down. So that back row right there will be what I'm looking for.
Hey guys.
There's goes. Yeah guys, we got about 5 minutes left on these. We're gonna shut it down. We'll go ahead and pull these. We might have a little bit more on our nuggets there, but we're going after that candy. All right, it's been a total of 35 minutes. They are looking great to me. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these things out, take them to the kitchen, let them start warming up a little, or cooling down a little bit. We're gonna give them a try. I'll see you here in just a minute. All right guys, check it out. Look at that. Man, dude, they look delicious. They absolutely look perfect. Let's cut one in half here. Let's look at it. Perfectly cooked. Bacon could have got a little crispier. I probably recommend, if I try it again, I might get that pre-cooked bacon and wrap it up in there and give it a little head start to get crispy. But man, look at that. That is absolutely delicious. Look, let's try it out. Oh my gosh. That right there is chicken candy. That brown sugar, you can taste it. That Sucklebusters Sugar Daddy puts it over the top. That right there has got so much flavor in it. It is so good. But now I'm gonna try one of these right here. This is the one that had the Mike's Hot Honey in it. Give it a shot. There it is, that kick that Mike's Hot Honey gives it. I like those just a little bit better. But like I said, Colson and Jesse, they don't like the hot stuff, so they always get mad at me when I try. But not on everything, so. If it was up to me, Mike's Hot Honey, that really makes it. Everything on these are really, really good, guys. I want you to try this recipe so bad. And guys, do not forget, comment Sucklebusters in the comments. We'll get the grilling and chilling and the bacon Christmas ornament in time to hang on that tree to make it look real nice for Christmas. So guys, if you enjoyed what you saw, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, comment on there, subscribe to me if you ain't already, share my video, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. And guys, as always, go to my description and click on the link to Greenback Designs Facebook page. Man, they do excellent work on all their products, and everything they do is handcrafted, and you can really tell by the quality of their products that they really care about everything they ship to their customers. So not only do they do just cutting boards, they make candles, serving trays, signs, and much more. So please visit their page, show them some love, and be sure to tell them the Tennessee Grillin' and Smokin' sent you.